From Auntie Claus.
This is gonna be
What is it, Carter? I think it's the world's largest gummy bear.
The world's largest gummy bear.
Yeah, isn't that silly? Cherry flavor. Look at that gummy bear!
Open it. Can we see it? Is that a gummy bear?
It's one big gummy bear.
It's one big giant gummy bear. You want to take a picture with us?
No.
Do you want to eat him? Eat his ear.
Is it for eating?
It is for eating, yeah. Take a bite. Oh my God. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Have a bite, Mommy.
Have a bite? Mmm, that's delicious. Do you know who sent you that?
Yeah.
Who sent it to you?
Go.
No, it wasn't Gogo. It was Lainey.
Lady.
Lainey.
Lady in Coopertown.
Yeah, I think Cooper picked it out. And Lainey bankrolled it. Can you say thanks, Lainey?
Thanks, Lady.
Thanks, Lainey.
Thanks, Lainey.